Okay, so this is very, very similar to the example problem. So I do suggest going to take a look at that video if you want like a really in-depth guide on do it. Because it's so similar, I'm just going to kind of start off. Once again, you're going to find three variables, right? So this is going to be X, this is going to be Y, this is going to be Z, right? Like this. To solve these, remember we have our soak, and then to find the area, we're looking for 1/2 base times height of a triangle. So to solve for X, we'll start with X, but you could do X or Y, working from the 50 degrees. X is the adjacent side to 50, and 45 is the hypotenuse. So we are looking at cosine, so katoa cosine. So it would be cosine of 50 is equal to X over 45. You then solve for X and you should get round to the nearest tenth. Plug in X, round to the nearest tenth. We'll do Y in green. So here, let me erase that. Y can be green. Y is the opposite side, right? It's opposite side of 50 degrees. So, and then 45 is still the hypotenuse, so we're doing sine. So we do sine of 50 is equal to Y over 45. Once again, rearrange, solve for Y, and you should get some value round to the nearest tenth. And you should plug it in here. Right? Now for Z, we'll do in orange, sure. Z we'll do in orange. Z, we have to use our value for Y that we found already. And so make sure you look at this, use the rounded value. So we're going to use the rounded value, not the exact value. So you're going to round to nearest tenth and use this rounded value to calculate Z. Now we're working from angle 58. Z is the opposite side. Our height here that we found in green, our Y is the adjacent. So we're using tangent of 58, so tangent of 58 is equal to Z over whatever this like rounded value you found for Y, like this, and then you rearrange and you should get Z is equal to, that's over 1, and you should get Z is equal to some value like this. Then to find the area, once again, we're using only rounded values. So I'll start with black. This is equal to 1/2. And then we're adding our purple value to the orange value to get the base. And then we multiply it with our height in green. I'm running out of space, but you can kind of see here, multiply it in green. You get that, round it to the nearest tenth, and then that should be your overall. And we'll make our overall, black it, why not? Should be some value. That's not necessarily a 1-digit number, but it's like it's a number 0.1 digit because it's rounded to the nearest tenth.